Hello guys, this is Sifat Ahmed. In previous class we already talked about if-is condition. In today class we see another example of if-is condition. So create a file, I create a file grade.php because in this programming I find out a grade by entering a number. So let's start. First we take a variable which name is number, then our data type integer, then input for taking input, then we write a text for the user, enter your marks. Then I write if is condition, if number greater than equal 90, then print for output grade A, enter, then is if number 80, then print grade B. Another is if number is 70. There is a error. Carefully see that because we did not write the code into the line. In if-is condition, whenever we use if-else, so we have to write this in same line. There is a error. Expect expression. So if I backspace, then the error is gone. Then print the another if-else print D. That's all. I think that's okay. Now save the file and I now run the file. Let's give a number 88 and enter. That's my grade is B. Let's take another input 95 and grade is A. It's work absolutely fine, and I wish if you try and practice you can catch up this if is very easily. And if it is very easy, if you understand this, I hope you all understand and practice more and more. See you in the next class.